Namaste friends, welcome to TrueView. Today we will see the installation of TrueView 4G Solar Mini Pan Tilt Camera. First of all, we will see the accessories that come with the camera. This kit includes 7 watts solar panel, camera itself, a bracket for panel mounting, a bracket and ring for camera mounting, thank you card and a QR card. We will now proceed to the installation. First we will mark the location where we will fix the panel. Then we will drill the holes at the markings. And then we will place the plastic grips that came with the camera in the holes to enable the screws to fit properly. With the aid of screws, we must affix the panel to the bracket. Our panel is now prepared for mounting. With the aid of screws, attach the bracket to the wall. The spot where the camera will be fixed needs to be marked. Drill holes where the markings are. Then insert the plastic grips. Before we can mount the camera, we must first insert the SIM card and memory card into their appropriate slots. Insert the SIM card with the cut side facing down and gently push. Insert the memory card and gently push it in. Then snap the rubber cover shut. Use screws to secure the camera to the wall. After mounting the camera, connect the Type-C cable from the camera's bottom to the panel and turn on the switch at the cable socket to turn on the camera. The cable is 3 meters long and includes with the necessary accessories. The solar panel can be installed within a 3-meter radius of the camera. Do not cut the cable. You can use a 5-volt, 2-ampere adapter with the camera as a backup or in situations where there is no sunshine or it is raining outside. One thing to keep in mind when charging the panel is that the face of the panel should be facing south and 45 degrees to 60 degrees upward. Let's move on to the mobile configuration. First, we'll get the TrueCloud app from the Google Play Store. To use the app, you must first register by clicking on the register. I'm already registered, and I'll log into the app by entering my credentials and clicking the confirm button. To add the camera to the app, we must scan the QR code on the camera. If you have strong internet connectivity, the camera will be added within a minute. Enter the device's name and confirm. You can save or cancel the QR code. The camera is now operational. The app allows you to operate the camera. As an example, consider rotating from left to right, and from top to bottom. To view the captured footage, select playback. Click the settings button in the upper right corner to access camera options. You can view the device name, app version, battery signal, battery percentage, and other information. Thank you.